Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Linkhub DCL router. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and rotate your router like this. So you have the top here. We're gonna open up this part right here. Now you can just put it up a little and place it here, but what are we gonna do is we're interested in this little dot right here. This is actually a reset button, and what we need for it is a SIM tray opener. So I got one, and what are we gonna do now is we're gonna put it right here, and until we hear a click, we hold it for around 7 seconds. So I always like to hold it a bit longer because I want to make sure that I reset my router. So now what are we gonna do is we're gonna let go and see if the lights disappeared. So they disappeared. There's no Wi-Fi and 4G for me. You can also have 5G. There's only a power, so that's how we know that we made it happen and that it's finally done and it's reset. So that's how you guys can factory reset your TCL Linkhub router. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.